Foggy. Nice. I can't. I'm having a hard time seeing. But FSD can see just fine. The wonders of modern technology. Now,
Yeah.
the goal of today, other than to get coffee, is to test full self-driving in beautiful Chicago weather. So now the windshield wipers. Okay, so that's a big joke about Tesla's windshield wipers. Um, really hate
In
to say it.
500 feet, turn right onto North US
Really
Highway
hate to say it
45.
to people, but you know what? Windshield wipers, automatic windshield wipers suck in every car.
Now
Just
turn
go to
right
the
onto
forums.
US Highway
Go to
45.
the forums for Mercedes, BMW, Toyota, anyone. Everyone complains about the automatic windshield wipers. And the reason being is that all the cars, first of all, no one senses water directly on the windshield. There is no water sensor for the windshield. And none of the systems actually look at the whole windshield. Most systems just look at the little area, about a 1-inch square area, right behind the rear view mirror. Okay? Those sensors, the supposed $10 rain sensor, doesn't detect rain directly. It's a camera and an LED, and it uses the refraction of light to determine if there's water on the other side of the windshield. Okay, so it's a proxy measurement. Whereas the cameras actually look through the windshield and actually see the water. It's much closer to your eyes. Okay? So they both have the same problem in that the camera only sees a small region of the window. And so does the standard rain sensor. And it only sees about 1 square inch. So why do people complain about Tesla? Well, a couple things. The biggest one being that everyone just likes to complain about Tesla. The next one being that it is new technology and people just don't, and it is new technology, and social media is convinced, everyone on social media is convinced that they're engineers. I don't understand how that works, but everyone on social media is apparently an engineer, even though only about, I think it's like 1 or 2% of the population actually gets an engineering degree. So social media is an amazing place. So anyway, the people on social media claim you can't possibly detect rain with cameras. Well, yes, you can. Same way your eyes can. Okay? The problem with both systems, though, is that what the camera is seeing up there is not the same thing as what I am seeing through the windshield. Okay, the camera is seeing a smaller area. Now, an additional issue with Tesla is that the camera in the windshield, apparently it's heated, I understand. So that little region around the camera is heated, whereas the rest of the windshield is not. So it's a different optic. Okay, now the windshield wipers finally did just go up. Now that's the third problem. And this is the problem that's common with everything as well. And that's sensitivity. So everyone is different by how much they'll tolerate, how much water they'll tolerate on the windshield before they complain. Nice green, Maki. Everyone's different in terms of how much light, how much water they'll accept on the windshield, and that's referred to as sensitivity. And this is where I blame Tesla. They should really just let people adjust the sensitivity themselves, because this is how other auto manufacturers get out of it. When people complain about the windshield wipers, they just tell them, just adjust the sensitivity. Okay, and it becomes a them problem. Tesla doesn't do that. Tesla is trying to adjust the sensitivity automatically, which works fine for FSD, but it doesn't work for some people. So, for instance, I'm not driving. I really don't care. As long as I can see major obstacles out the window, I don't need to see the details. So if there's a lot of water in the windshield, I really don't care. Cars doing all the driving. As long as they can see it, that's all I care about. Wife, on the other hand, if there is a single drop of water on the windshield, my wife needs to have the windshield wipers on. So she would want it ultra sensitive. And Tesla doesn't really let you make that adjustment. There should literally be a slider on the on the screen for a setting where you can just set it to be ultra sensitive or not ultra sensitive. And you know what? I mean, even if it didn't do anything, people would probably not even know. Just giving them the feeling of control might be enough. But then if people get dry wipes, you can just say, "Oh, I'll just turn down the sensitivity." Even if it doesn't do anything, again, people just like to complain. But it'll give them a proxy. It'll give them a placebo effect. So anyway, my point is though, if they did have a sensitivity, then that could
In
help. Oh
1,000
wow, we're
feet,
getting into
you will arrive at
really,
your
really
destination.
foggy. Nice. I can't. I'm having a hard time seeing. FSD can see just fine. The wonders of modern technology.